Callbacks are functions that are passed as arguments to other functions. They allow us to execute code asynchronously, making our programs more efficient and scalable. Callbacks are used to handle asynchronous operations such as reading files or making API requests. They allow us to write more efficient code and improve program performance. Let's look at an example of a callback function in action. We'll create a simple function that takes a callback as an argument and executes it after a delay. Callbacks are used extensively in asynchronous programming. They allow us to write more efficient code and handle complex operations. When using callbacks, it's essential to follow best practices to avoid common pitfalls. When using callbacks, it's easy to make mistakes. Let's look at some common pitfalls to avoid. In this video, we covered the basics of callbacks in JavaScript. We explored why callbacks are used, how to implement them, and common pitfalls to avoid. If you're interested in learning more about callbacks, I recommend checking out the following resources. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to reach out.